guys, looking at changing the furnace today. Not gonna be fun. That's it. Kind of a nightmare. So I don't know if this will be a two-part, one-part. I'll see how I feel editing it. Got the furnace out, and there's some funky ductwork going on. They've been pulling apart dampers that got slid into a slot over here to for the summer winter, because they're both, there's an AC system and this was the heating system. So they both tie in the same duct system, but apparently somebody years ago had installed louvers, a nice damper, backdraft damper, in this side, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but another one in there for the AC, which opens. So basically we don't have to do anything when it comes to that. They don't want to change the air conditioning system over there. So no Chrysler air temp. They've been told it's on its way out, but they just keep it anyway. So moving on. Alright, so this furnace is turning out to be an absolute nightmare. We got this job over the weekend, which, you know, technically we don't really, we're such a small company, we don't really work. We did work on Saturday, but nobody was actually in the office to take the call. So we got this call late Saturday to change this furnace, and of course we have nothing with us. So I have to make a supply run and go get some stuff so we can hang the unit and get it up in the ceiling, and then try to get the unit up, jack back up into the ceiling and whatnot. You guys saw those massive holes in the heat exchanger, which how this thing was never a problem before, I have no idea, but they don't maintain anything. So so off to get some supplies, and maybe some lunch. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, new one's out. We're gonna go back and make the ductwork. It's late. It's not cold out, so we're not gonna rush back and take care of it tomorrow. Like that. Alright. New furnace is in. We're done. It's worked out not so bad. I couldn't show us doing the ductwork, it was a little tight. So, it is what it is. But, new duct, it's all lined. All good to go. Alright guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Comment, like, subscribe, share, whatever. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.